gonna sit down beside my Jesus. I'm gonna sit down and rest a little while. It soon be done.
Twill soon be done.
When troubles and trials.
Troubles and trials.
When I get home.
When I get home.
On the other side.
On the other side.
I'm gonna shake my hands with the hands. I'm gonna tell all the people good morning. I'm gonna sit down beside my Jesus.
And I love this part here. And then those that remain will be quickly changed. And at the midnight cry, when Jesus comes again.
Stage 2 breast cancer. I was told that the lump was too big to have surgery. So I went through 6 months of chemotherapy, had a surgery, followed by radiotherapy, and more chemotherapy. Even preventative chemotherapy was given. But within 6 months after being given the all clear, the cancer returned. That was a shock to my system, because the first time around, I dealt with it pretty well. You know, very few friends or family knew about it because I didn't want to stress anyone, I didn't want to worry anyone. You know, it was pretty, you know, manageable, so that's what I did. And when it returned the second time, I was shocked. And I first thought, okay, maybe I didn't learn anything from the first time round, so you know, I have to experience the second time to learn something. But the second time wasn't normal. When I went to see my oncologist, I was told after 2 weeks of waiting for test results, I was told it was stage 4 and it's incurable. Can you imagine the shock to my system, having heard that? But I wasn't concerned about that. My main concern was the pain I was in. A stupid pain. If there was anything that I was told, everyone knows acid is dangerous. If I was told to drink acid to take the pain away, I probably would have drank it. That's how severe the pain was. But anyway, my oncologist realized, you know, how distressed I was. So he prescribed several different painkillers. Before that, I had a round of radiotherapy because they said that will help to shock the system or to do something to the, you know, to the.
It's your bar turn.
You in church? If you're not a regular church member, I'm sure you had church today. Amen?
Amen.
In a time of celebration, I just want to take this opportunity on behalf of the entire Woods family to express our gratitude to everyone for your prayers, for your support, for your presence. I want to thank you for being here today. I want to thank Cross SDA Church. We thank the pastors. Amen. thank the Board of Elders. We thank all the members of this church for all that they have done to make.
Hey guys, so we're now we're about to leave the funeral service of my precious aunt. Davina came with me. Jabari's also here. Where's Jabari? In the back drinking water. But pretty emotional. We're getting ready now to go to the burial ground. But I gotta show you guys this outfit that
and come again no more.
That's where she got buried.
time.
Walking with the angels.
Lord, sing glory, hallelujah. We shall have a grand time up in heaven again.
Yes.
Will soon be done.
All troubles and trials. When I get home on the other side, I'm gonna shake my hands with the elders. I'm gonna tell all the people good morning. I'm gonna sit down beside my Jesus. I'm gonna sit down and rest a little while. It soon be done.
Will soon be done. Oh, troubles and trials. When I get home on the other side, I'm gonna shake my hands with the elders.
I'm gonna tell all the people good morning. I'm gonna sit down beside my Jesus. Jabbar said he don't want a soup?